In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Clickup and Slack. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection that lets you see Clickup activity inside Slack, get personal notifications, create tasks right from your messages, and preview Clickup links automatically. Keep your Clickup tab open and make sure you can sign into Slack in your browser so the authorization goes through without hiccups. Start by opening Clickup and heading to your home area. From here, look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this as an icon or a drop-down with additional options. Open that, then choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's app directory where you can find official integrations. In the app directory, use the search bar and type Slack. When the Slack integration appears, select it to open its details page. You'll see what the integration can do, along with a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. This will launch the Slack authorization flow in a new browser window or tab. On the Slack authorization page, first make sure you're connecting the correct Slack workspace. If you're in multiple workspaces, use the workspace switcher near the top of the page to choose the one you want to link with ClickUp. If you don't see the right one, switch to it before proceeding. Once the correct workspace is selected, review the permissions being requested. These typically include the ability to post messages, read channel information, to power notifications and previews, and enable link unfurling. These are necessary for the features you'll turn on in a moment. When you're ready, click Allow to grant access. If your organization requires admin approval for apps, you may see an approval prompt. In that case, your Slack admin might need to approve before you can complete the connection. After authorization, you'll land back in ClickUp with a set of integration options. This is where you decide how ClickUp and Slack should work together. First, enable sync ClickUp activity to channels if you want updates from specific ClickUp spaces, folders, or lists to flow into Slack channels. This is great for keeping a team room up to date with task creations, status changes, and comments. You can control which channels receive which updates later to keep noise manageable. Next, turn on ClickUp notifications. This gives you personal alerts in Slack for things assigned to you, comments that mention you, and other activity you care about. If you live in Slack throughout the day, this setting helps you respond faster without constantly switching tabs. Then, enable Create Tasks from Slack. With this on, you can turn a Slack message into a ClickUp task directly from Slack. It's perfect for capturing action items in the moment. Look out for message shortcuts or slash commands after the setup. They'll let you pick the destination list, add assignees, due dates, and more. Also toggle on Preview ClickUp links in Slack. When someone pastes a ClickUp task or doc link into a channel or direct message, Slack will automatically show a helpful preview. That context saves clicks and keeps conversations moving. When those options look good, click Done to finish the initial setup. Back on the integration screen in ClickUp, open your newly connected Slack workspace entry to confirm everything is linked. This view lets you verify the connection and revisit settings if you want to refine which channels receive activity updates or fine-tune notifications later. If you don't immediately see updates flowing, give it a moment, refresh your page, or recheck that you granted permissions to the correct workspace. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the authorization window didn't open, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. If you're not receiving channel activity, double-check that the channel has the app installed and that you've selected the right spaces, folders, or lists to sync. And if your team keeps things locked down, your Slack admin might need to approve the integration before notifications start appearing. That's it. You've connected ClickUp and Slack, enabled the key features, and confirmed the workspace link. Enjoy faster updates, clearer context, and effortless task creation right from where your team is already chatting.